Morning, this is the first morning. Oi, move it! This is the first day at base camp, Betty's Lodge. This is Betty's Lodge. Hi guys. Hi, this is my small brother. This is the smaller brother.
The smallest brother.
The smallest, smaller.
The bigger and bigger.
Oh, there's also hot water at Betty's Lodge.
Restaurant is open.
At Betty's Lodge, there's hot water.
Skinny is a lot. This egg is made in Mt Wilhelm. No more beans. There's some coffee.
Hi, good morning.
There's a toast there.
We're having toast,
I'm having toast and cheese.
baked beans at Betty's Lodge in the middle of nowhere. Very, very interesting.
This talk comes from Hagen. So, yeah.
With a homemade jam. This is homemade jam.
But you tell her I go send
And this biscuit is also provided at Betty's Lodge. Anyhow.
I'm eating deli.
Oh, good cheese.
It's very cold, so eating up my dolly. Trying to eat now. Thank you.
Hi, good morning everyone. This is Betty's Lodge. We came last night and slept over, and we are beginning our climb today. So we'll be heading. Second morning. Actually, it's first morning. Second day, and we'll be heading up to the base camp tonight, this evening.
So this is our
Tonight or this morning?
Today. This is our small stove, because we don't know whether the facilities still have gas. So
These are some of the challenges that the trek faces.
some of the challenges that the trek faces, but we hope over time it will improve and more people will come to support the local economy here. Thank you, Ima.
And if ever, Maggie noodle, Maggie cube, when cucumber or something.